MyServiceDesk.com, a cloud-based IT service management solution powered by Supportworks. Best practice ITSM that delivers value in days, not weeks. This video will demonstrate how to use the customer portal for self-service. Let's take a look at MyServiceDesk.com from the user perspective by logging into the self-service portal. The moment the user logs in, they're presented with information that's relevant to the services they subscribe to. Here on the right, we can see the request summary and the number of active calls. We can also see notifications about any services that are currently impacted or where changes may affect the user, as well as a quick summary of the last 5 requests. Users can view their existing requests by clicking on the My Requests tab. To update a request, the user simply clicks in this area. All the information is provided about the request, as well as an indication of how far the business process has progressed. To update the request, click on this tab. You can then provide additional information or attach files to update that request. At every stage of interaction with the service desk, the customer has the option to provide feedback which is either negative, neutral, or positive, indicating their perception of service with this interaction. In addition, the customer can actually launch a chat session with the analysts to progress with this particular request. Now, let's take a look at some of the services that this customer is subscribed to. By clicking on the My Services area, all of the services that the customer is currently subscribed to are listed here. There are additional services that the customer may not have subscribed to. In this case, we have a remote connection, and the customer can choose to subscribe to that service should they wish. Favorite services are contained within this area. The customer can easily request new equipment by simply raising a request. The New Equipment wizard then walks the customer through a series of configurable questions and answers that indicate what type of service they are requesting. In this case, we are requesting an executive BlackBerry Storm. We may want fast-track delivery or standard delivery. And you'll notice service costs, should you choose to display them, are calculated here. As soon as we submit the request, we get a notification giving our request number, and we can now track that easily via self-service. Certain requests may require authorization by managers, so I'm just going to log out and log back in as a manager, and now we see a different view with a summary of calls for this business unit manager. In addition to my requests as a manager, I can view requests from my team, and I may also have authorizations that I need to approve. Let's, for example's sake, take the last request logged by Anna, and we can now see the stage of the business process that this is at. It's just waiting for my approval, so I can decide how to update the request, or actually just submit my authorization here. So I can just add some text and confirm authorization, then click to submit my decision. That decision is now applied, and the call has actually been updated. If we log out and log back in again as Anna, we can see that last request here, and on the business process details, we can now see that the manager has approved it. The equipment request has been received, and the IT teams are now sourcing the requested equipment. As soon as that equipment arrives and the work has been carried out, the remainder of this process can actually be completed.